folks, I'd like to show you my JE130 cabinet lift, electric cabinet lift. I'm a cabinet installer, and I developed this to help me save on time and back labor. It's fully electric, it's got a memory, helps when installing. We're going to use the saddle for the first cabinet. It's not really necessary, but it helps for these larger diagonal cabinets. All it does is rest on there. We'll slide this up here near position, get it off the wall just a little bit. And then we're going to set our cabinet up here. Get it close to position. We're going to get our pre-programmed height setting, and we're going to take it up about 1 inch below where we need it, just to give us some room in case the next cabinet, the floor is unlevel or whatever, it won't bump at the next cabinet. So I get about 1 inch from where I need to be, and then I'll fine tune it with the up and down button to get it where it needs to be. Down just a little bit to take the pressure off of it. And that cabinet is hung. Now we're going to move over here to our next cabinet on this wall. Now we can take the saddle off. Need it anymore. Just aside. And go to our down position. Ready for our next cabinet. Get our preset. Position. Again, it'll take us up close. I'll say enough off here, don't bump that cabinet. If the wall's a little out or something, you may need to shim. Here, we'll just slide it over. Make a little shim in here, get this one leveled off. That looks better. Raise it up the rest of the way. Flush on the bottom. Attach this one. Find the stud. Already got a mark, so I'll have to find them. And there we are, 2 cabinets hung that simple. Let's see if they're down position. Right down. This wall. Next cabinet right here. Drilled as well. Hit our preset. And up we go. That one in. Make sure the bottom's lining up. Cabinet back down. And secured. There's 3 cabinets installed in a matter of minutes. Without breaking so much back-breaking labor. The lift has limited travel. We have this adapter we use for this. Set. Bottom position. And that's how my lift system works. You witness the lift, the saddle for the diagonals, and the riser for my microwaves and refrigerator cabinets. We're not going to do the refrigerator cabinet right now because I'll have to cut a filler strip and stuff and it'll take too much time. And this shows you everything we needed to see anyway. So there you have it. My lift's still a work in action. I hope to do some modifications to keep improving on it. So, but I'm happy with it so far, and hope to have another video with some updates soon. Thank you very much.